Before you actually create an exercise, we recommend you search public exercises to see if the exercise you want to create has already been created by another ReinFit member. This will save you time and reduce redundancy. Alright, to create an exercise, click Create a New Exercise in the Member Control panel. Now choose the type of exercise you want to create. Either strength training, such as bench press and squats, or cardio, such as jogging and bicycling. For this example, we'll create a strength training exercise, but I'll come back and show you how a cardio one is different. Exercise name, body part, and equipment are required for a strength training exercise. All the other fields are optional. We will create the exercise sit-up. So for body part, we'll select abdominals. For equipment, we'll select body. Notes is where you can provide any additional information about the exercise. Instructions, you can enter up to 8 steps of how to perform the exercise. For the sake of time, we'll leave these 2 areas blank. Public access, you can choose if you want your exercise to be public. If you make it public, it will be added to public exercises so that other ReinFit members can view it and use it if they want. On the right hand side are the images that can be uploaded for your exercise. The first image is the body part image. So abs is selected as the body part. So you could upload a image of your abs or someone else's abs to show the results you can get by using this exercise. And then there's 3 exercise images that you can add that show how to perform the exercise. So let's see, we'll add a couple here. Alright, so once you have everything filled out for your exercise, you can click either save to save it, preview to preview it before you save it, or cancel if you just don't want to create it. We'll click preview. Alright, so here we are, we're previewing our exercise. When you're previewing it, you have the option to save it, edit it, which will take you back to where you just were, or cancel to not create the exercise. We're happy with it, so we'll save it. Alright, so here's the exercise we just created. Since we made it public, it will also be added to public exercises. So let's verify it was added to my exercises. Alright, so there it is. It's been added to my exercises under the strength training tab. And since we created it, it will also be under the created tab. And there it is. So just real quick, I'll show you how a cardio exercise is different. So go to create a new exercise. This time select cardio. With cardio, there's only exercise name is required. There's no body part and no equipment. And then the next difference is there is no body part image. To edit an exercise, click My Exercises in the Member Control panel. Select the Created tab, and then click Edit for the exercise you want to edit. You can only edit exercises that you created. The edit and create process are the same, so I won't get into that. What I will talk about are the 2 different scenarios you'll encounter when editing an exercise. The first is when you edit an exercise that you created that is being used by other ReinFit members. Since you can't directly edit an exercise that is being used by other members, you get this warning at the top that states, since this exercise is used by other members, it will be added as a new exercise if the exercise name or public access is changed. So to test this out, we'll add the word edit at the end of the exercise name and then click Save Changes. It shows the edited exercise. Let's go back to my exercises. And since that was a cardio exercise, notice we're using the edited version of the exercise. And also note that all the data from the old exercise has been transferred over to the edited exercise, so you never have to worry about losing your data. And since the edited version was added as a new exercise, it will also be under the Created tab along with the original. The second scenario you'll encounter is when you edit an exercise that you created that you are the only one using. In this scenario, any changes you make will be made directly to the exercise.